Thank you for the prime. I appreciate that. Dude, cutting sugar was so hard. I was mega addicted to Diesel Pop, so that took forever. Yeah, dude, I did keto. I mean, I wouldn't recommend doing keto. It was more so just to see if I could do it. I did keto for 3 months straight. And I did it with, I did about less than 60 grams of sugar a day, which is way harder than it sounds. Man, Ryan just who asked himself. Someone asked it, Curlbit, okay? Honestly, drink water and coffee and eat real food, even sugars. Yo, bro. This guy again, man. Yo, what's up day and night? He's freaking back. He just came and picked up the mic again and dropped it again. What's up day and night? How's it going, bud? What are you up to? Hopefully you didn't just, hopefully you did just listen to my rant. How weird were your farts when doing keto? I don't recall them being weird. My farts are always weird, I guess. I appreciate you day and night, dude. That's insane, dude. 20 gifted tier 1 subs. Holy shit. Valorant, bro. Are you gonna carry me in Valorant? I gave up on that game a long time ago. Bro, I'm good at FPS games. I'm bad at Valorant. Go figure. As I'm drinking a yellow Red Bull, dude, it's honestly like, okay, energy drinks are a bad example because if I have to drink an energy drink, I go for the fake sugar ones, which are still very bad, right? But you know, if you're trying to get away from energy drinks, try yerba mate or matcha or coffee. There are so many better alternatives, right? I did keto for 9 months, was terrible, especially on bike rides. Dude, yeah, man. It's like, you gotta become fat adapted, right? So generally your body gets energy from like sugar and carbs, right? And if you deplete yourself of sugar and carbs, then your body's like, what am I doing? How can I function? All right, let's tap into our fat stores. Then you start to be fat adapted. So now you're getting your energy from fat, which is like when you're in actual ketosis, right? That's what keto's short for. And that's hard to do, right? Some people's bodies adapt faster and better than others. But keto, at the end of the day, it's not, what's the word I'm looking for? Sustainable. It's not sustainable, right? So just try and keep your carbs and sugars under 150 grams a day. I know it sounds like a high number, but you'd be surprised. There are sugar and carb and everything. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. Yo, I need a new Keeb, just overlubed so many creams? As in like overlubed in a bad way? Yo, Raj. I noticed you were basic, but the thing that revolutionized my skincare was using face lotion after I wash my face. Honestly, never knew you had to, my whole team. Oh, got it. Yeah. Dude, complete game changer. Okay, so think of this, right? You wash your face, okay? You wash your face. What did you just do? You took away all of the grime and muck from the day, yes. But what else did you do? You just completely stripped your face of all the oils, all the good oils that hydrate your face, right? Now your face is completely dry and you go to bed. What's your body gonna do? It's gonna produce more oil, right? More oil. You keep stripping your face of oil and not putting any serum or anything on. You're constantly gonna be getting more and more oil, and then you're like, dude, why is my face so oily, right? So you have to put serum on before you go to bed. Never washing my face again, or you can just never wash your face. Don't wash your face with freaking body wash, bro. I know some of you guys do this. You're like, well, I use Saint Ives and whatever for my face, my hair, my armpits, my butt crack, everything. I just use one thing. Don't do that. The freaking 3-in-1s. Don't buy that shit. Axe Wash says it's a 10-in-1. No. Dudes, please stop using all-in-one soap. It's gross and lazy. Exactly. Okay, so that was my 5-minute tangent and turned into half an hour. I knew that was gonna happen. Hey, you sexy stud, you look like you smell like a hunk. How'd that pickup line work? Have you tried it before? No butt wiping, got it. Okay, bud. Do you use microcurrent or skincare devices? I don't. I've had like the microdermabrasion, rollers and stuff like that. I've tried them. Yeah, dude, we're in the no pillow, the no shampoo, and the cold shower and the no fap crew. All right, welcome to my stream. What serum do you recommend? Yes, so I would say easiest serum if you want to pick something up on Amazon is going to be the green tangerine. It's like 10-15 bucks, nothing crazy fancy. I've tried shit that's literally $5 at Target. I've tried serums that are like stupidly overpriced, like La Mer, for like $200. Like, so I always come back to this one. Very good, right? Do not use 205. Dr. Bronner's for everything. Wow. Even you could use that shit for your freaking laundry too, apparently. Level 6 hype train. You guys are insane. Yo, Fear Irelia. Thank you for the 11 months. Welcome to my apparently, I'm apparently just a just chatting streamer these days and variety streamer. I don't even build keyboards. No need to buy that. Just sneak into your girlfriend's nighttime routine items. Pretty much. That works too. Yeah. Although your girlfriend should be pestering you to buy your own shit if she's doing her doing you any favors. Do not use 205 grade 0 on your skin. Yeah, Curlbit knows from firsthand experience. Okay, so this is the yo Forbes the Brit. Let's go, bud. Thank you for the gifted tier 1 sub. Forbes, what are you freaking typing on? Bro, my girlfriend doesn't even wash her face. Damn. Skin flawless, dude. Some people are like that. I mean, okay, let's be real here, right? So I feel like this is like another hot take, not a hot take, just like I feel like people downplay genetics, right? At the end of the day, just I know some people that have the worst fucking diet. They don't drink any water, they don't exercise, they don't go to the gym, they don't take care of themselves, and they're literally like no blemishes on their face and they're ripped. Like, there are people like that. There are just people like that. So it is what it is, right? So my wife was listening to the stream and she's like, this man knows his stuff. Yo. So, okay. I do have, okay. Oh my God. Let me go get my face wash so I can, otherwise this isn't gonna, you know, I gotta show you the whole routine. I can't just show you the serum. So give me 1 second. Okay. Bro, I swear that I'm now paying an editor to edit my streams down to like 10 minutes. I'm literally gonna give him this video and he's gonna be like, bro, where's the keyboard that I'm supposed to edit? Yo, Mixer Store, thank you for the Prime for 4 months. Let's go. I swear I'm building a keyboard tonight. Come on. I do this every stream and I still somehow manage to get it between like 4 and 5 hour stream. All right, don't worry. Okay. I'm gonna blaze through this real quick here. Keyb recommendation, day and night. Dude, honestly, I love my Vita. If you're going for a 65, the Vita's freaking sick. I'm looking at boards I still have on hand. If I have it on hand, that means I like it. Have him edit a skincare video as well. So that's kind of what I wanted to do, right? I wanted to have like 80% keyboards and like 20% just like random shit, right? Okay, so real quick here, I'm gonna blow through this. Serum, green tangerine, very good for the price. I've gone through tons of different face washes. I'm gonna say this is like this is a theme for all of my skincare. I've tried literally Target stuff all the way up to Sephora and Bloomingdale's and whatever. Like, I've tried $5 shit, hundreds of dollar shit, and more or less you can get pretty damn solid shit for cheap, right? Okay, so the current face wash I'm using, I have purchased. There's an Aesop face wash that is my absolute favorite. I use that one as well. So what I do is I have one face wash that I keep on my counter, and I have one face wash that I keep in the shower, right? So obviously if I'm showering, I use that one. The other times, if I'm at my If I'm at my sink, I'm using a different face wash. The reason I use 2 different face washes, I have found that my skin, like, it kind of builds an immunity to certain active ingredients, right? So like, say for instance, if I'm using benzoyl peroxide for acne shit for a while, it becomes less effective. I'm talking like me personally. I don't know, other people might be like this too. But, and then if I switch it up and use salicylic acid, I'm like, holy shit, that works so good. So I like to switch it up. I like to keep my pimples and blackheads like constantly confused and not have these like, barricades against what I'm trying to throw at it. So I use different face washes in the shower and at my sink. The one I use in the shower is just this Naturium one. This one has hyaluronic acid, right? So this is a little more acid based.